Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And I'm definitely not playing FNF right now. Definitely not kidding. It's not FNF game, it's just Pillage. I'm so sorry. And today we have Lincoln. Lincoln. And Noah.
What's good, gangy?
Yeah, I don't think they can how loud the game is. I'm blowing out my ears.
Pause.
I'm in the station.
Yeah, we can't play YouTube. He's doing something.
Oh!
Next year we might have Joe.
Oh yeah, Joe broke his PC.
Wait, did he?
Sorry, silly's a bit of an understatement. Oh yeah, that's good.
Jack, come downstairs. There's something cool I want to show you.
Yeah, I just finished a song. Well, apparently I just got broken. That
Come downstairs. Look at this.
Bibla.
Boing, boing,
Bibla just.
boing.
Cool, I guess.
Bye, Mom.
That's very cool.
Love you too. You might want to cut that out of the video.
Look at that fan art of White. That's some cool fan art of Weist.
Had some cool fan art of Lincoln.
No, I mean, fucking hell.
Somebody needs to draw Lincoln kissing Jet.
Oh, hell no, get out. I was talking about bloody Pillar Chase fan art of, like, someone putting Weist in a school corridor that looks abandoned.
Oh, really?
Oh, no shit, Sherlock. No shit, no, it's not here.
You think it looks
No, it's not even here. Oh, look, no lowercase but Lego. That's pretty cool.
Nah, that's not Lego.
Are you so serious?
Whoops. Bro's got bands.
Peter Mimic bands, oh no.
We out
I
of
wrote-
survivors.
I wrote another Arcane Dark last night. Skippity!
POV when Noah doesn't join.
Oh my gosh,
Good
bro,
one.
it does not take 6 years to pop Heavenlies.
I gotta wait for a biome.
There's no way. Just use a rune, bro. I'm gonna do another
Choose a
Heavenly
rune?
song.
There's no such thing as a rune of a graveyard.
You sure? Which one did I... it's time to do this one, I guess.
I'm gonna play also.
Quality.
I
Are you
could
gonna
follow
play
up.
also? Or are you gonna do this one?
No. FNF.
Oh yeah, I get you. Yes, so far.
Fortnite Battle Pass. You might want to cut out most of the FNF to like join. Good one,
Peak
Link.
gameplay. Peak gameplay.
Yes, like good.
Ah!
What the scream?
You know, I don't use arrow keys.
I'm still standing better than I ever did. Feeling like a true survivor. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, nothing.
Enough is enough.
Can't wait to play this with my demo.
Oh, no.
Good one.
Ow.
Chat.
What's up?
Got me up with grandma.
Oh my.
Good one.
No, that's not extreme morale.
Did you just say testically morale or what?
Why?
Whoever dies first, I'm playing this FNF song. I don't care what anybody says. I
I right, bro.
What's the song, bro?
I want you to play that at my funeral, Jet. I want you to play that at my funeral.
Bro, I'm playing lo-fi on video mode.
For heavenly later, I'm just gonna join you.
Hey, that's what, yeah,
He's gone wild.
yeah, what's up, hey, my turn.
Yeah.
This is your time to, oh, yes.
Oh my gosh,
Oh my
Skibberty
Imagine
toilet.
if a blind person saw that.
How do you guys
Imagine
focus
if
on
it's
the
a
main
logo.
thing? I love every mega fishes hell on a Monday, you know. When I try to
It's last Sunday, last Tuesday, I met him running on the runway.
If that's copyrighted,
says you
I'm
wanna
going
run
to
it?
hit you with the MX special, buddy.
You know if someone sings a song on copyrights itself,
No.
it's only if the song actually plays.
Solo.
You don't need the song actually plays.
What
Why
the
so
cringe?
serious?
What the cringe?
Jet, if you're gonna get on the MX special, why don't you have MX?
No, I want to show you guys. You can't run.
Damn, it just didn't load. Oh,
Yeah,
there we
it just
go.
didn't load, chat. Am I gonna load in or?
Oh. Bro, you should get the ancient Vita Mimic skin. It's like so good.
I'm gonna this time. Jet ain't hunting us. I'm gonna go hunt Jet.
Oh, there's new UIs for picking up stuff and opening doors.
Oh, I found him.
Well, Jet can't see me.
As soon as
Oh,
I hear
look,
you,
I found
I'm
Jet.
gonna hit an emote.
I found Jet, guys. He's kind of dismantled.
Juke them. Never mind, I didn't juke them.
Rude.
I
Yeah, I
don't
kind of-
want you. I
I
want
kind of
money
found your
on
body.
I'd
I
emote
found
on
your
normal.
body. You're kind of dead.
I know where you are then. You shouldn't have said
Like your jaw is kind of gone. Like
When you're invisible, your butt.
that.
Yeah,
They
look,
changed
you.
where you are.
his jaw is gone.
My camera's locked on your butt and it looks more glowy. You have a guy out.
Why?
Oh my. Where the fuck?
Hello.
Oh, you're running away from me, buddy. The only sad thing is you're getting tickled.
I'm dead. Dang it.
No,
I didn't have a
I just gave you a
flashlight.
big kiss. I just gave you a big kiss.
I didn't even have a flashlight. Couldn't see me.
I don't want you.
You have to cover the world for me.
What?
Guys,
Oh
I'm a scary guy.
Chat, he's busting the move.
What on Gangnam Style? I keep getting Discord notifications, but it's gonna pop on this screen.
Grandpa Nuts using Uncle Samsonite. Alright.
Bro, I swear to God, somebody's using a soundboard. I'm not getting no notifications.
Good one. I'm actually playing on a Switch avatars.
Oh yeah, why's that?
Do you not see my avatar?
Nope.
It looks like rice.
Where is he? Oh no, I found him.
Bro, none of these monster animations are loading for me. Oh god, it's John.
I got Sigma music.
John.
Well, I haven't even logged in. This is pretty
Bro
fun.
is the one.
Oi.
Bro's the one who's hunting. Bro's not the one who should be screaming. What?
How do I zoom in?
Oh,
yeah,
my, do not
That's
tell
the
me.
hard part. That's the hard part. I don't think you can as John.
Oh really?
My head is so
No,
voluptuously
you can.
square.
It's just his head, bro. His head.
Run, Skip!
Thanks, Lincoln.
Oh shit.
Oh my, Link Hallows Thompson. Oh, I just juked you. No, never mind, I got hit. Stop
Bring around
inflating the
Rosie. Bye, Noah.
Go get him. Go get him.
How does the chase music sound, Lincoln?
It's like.
The chase music didn't even load, bro. Didn't
Hey,
even
Jet.
load in.
Jet, I'm right behind you.
Oh, that's so
The
sick.
fog has devoured me.
Hey.
I didn't look at- oh
Jet
my
was
God.
looking behind the rock to get away from me.
Oh, yeah, Noah, yeah.
I know. I'm figuring out how to zoom in whether I die or not.
I'm the one dying, bro. It's weekend.
What the BBL Drizzy?
I'm gonna get Mick freaky.
Where the hell is Jet, bro?
Do you see him? Oh, I found him.
Oh.
He's looking for me yet again.
Oh my god.
Hell no, bro. Hell no.
Hi, cast about you. I'll be back. I've got to go do some John. Oh, he's so
We should-
cute.
we
He's so
should-
cute. I'll be back.
You should say the N word while he's gone.
Bro.
How do where's controls?
Oh, I think you just gotta scroll in.
Oh
Or it's right click. Not sure.
yeah, you're right.
I play monster in third person unless it's Inkfell. Because I've got the beast skin for Inkfell and I cannot see shit. No, I don't want to do double trouble.
It's you and Jet, but pretty much just you.
Ah, I wanted my cool monster intro. Oh, I can pick my duo. And now I'll be my duo.
Oh yes, let's just troll Jet, not even kill him.
And he's back, he's gonna be so scared. If the timer hasn't run out. Let's go.
It's not right click. Oh no, it is right click.
Always little kid.
Hey, let me out!
I'm gonna spew on him.
I know where he lives. Hold on, let me go over there. Do you see how fast I am?
Yeah, bro. Hey, Jet, the round kind of glitched. Like,
Hey Jet, there's a ghost
don't kill
somewhere.
him. Don't kill him. Hey, Jet.
No.
Hey Jet.
Pop to us, doing that thing.
Hold on. Let's do a funny skit. I'm running away, and then you gotta. I go through this door. You're not allowed in. No.
Yeah, but you don't understand I was right there. Gonna bite you.
Go. We gotta run away now, Noah. We gotta run.
Oh yeah,
we gotta
run away from the
together.
monster, run away from the
Run away
monster.
from the monster, Noah.
Alright, the monster.
Run away from the monster, Noah.
I already did, I'm far away.
Quick, Lincoln, we gotta run away from the monster. Now,
Who is the monster?
who was the monster? I don't know.
Who is the monster?
I believe it says the monsters have killed everyone, so I think I was the monster.
Oh no.
Oh.
Lincoln, you're just gay.
Oh, damn.
That's real.
Hmm?
It's fire.
Are you literally eating? Oh my.
It's just fire for real.
What the chicken nugget?
I think chat's learning about your addiction.
Oh my god.
Double trouble!
Trouble.
Double trouble!
Wait, you get to
Wait,
choose a partner?
Pick me! Pick me!
People are playing Piggy's Halloween theme
Pick my
song.
duo.
Pick me! Pick me! Please, pick me! I can hop to her.
Oh, it's me.
No!
This is the third time we've been a monster in a row.
Dang it, bro.
I gotta run away from the monster.
Oh, there's the monster. Run!
Run away, run
Oh, I
away!
love this one.
Run from the monster. Lincoln, look at me!
Lincoln, let us in!
Oh, wait, I forgot that I was really fast when I do this. Let us in, Lincoln. Who we hiding from? Who we hiding from?
Yeah, Lincoln.
Here.
Shut the door, Jay. Shut the door. Never mind.
Get in there,
Oh, yeah,
get in
hide
there.
there, hide there.
Get in there.
I'll trap the door. I'll trap the door.
Jack, get in there, get in there. Check in the closet.
Quick, I gotta get in the closet.
Ladies, come in.
I'll scare him. I'll scare him off.
Oh yes,
Yeah, you
look
gotta scare him off,
behind you,
Lincoln.
Jet.
Yeah, I'll just
Oh
scare him
yeah.
No! Why don't you let me out?
off. What the hell? What are you guys doing?
Wait, Jet, look at me. Jet,
What
look
are
at
you
me.
Hey,
What are you
we
guys
gotta
doing,
run away
bro?
from the monster.
Yeah, run away from the monster. He's gonna run over here. Run away, run away.
That's the monster, you
That's the
idiot.
monster, you idiot.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
What the way?
I thought he was a nice guy. He's a chill guy though.
Hey, wait a
Look,
minute.
I'll-
You're different
show
from
you
the
this-
rest of us.
You're
I'll show you.
wait
He's
a
a chill
minute.
guy.
you're black.
He'll get you. He'll
I
get
don't
you if
like
he gets
different
close.
I
He'll
don't
get you if
I
he
don't
gets
like different
close.
people. I don't like different people.
No, attack him, Mr.
I
Pinky.
don't like
Attack
different
him.
people. Hold on, let me give him a kiss real quick.
Do you want to look at me, Lincoln?
I don't-
Oh, good one. He's looking down like a little rat. I'm killing him.
I'm not.
you're
I
not supposed to
wasn't,
run
I
away.
swear.
Were you
As soon as
staring
I killed
directly?
Lincoln, he started running.
Were you staring directly at me?
Yes, I was. I actually was.
I whistled at you. How did it not
I
work?
don't know, bro.
I
Right,
think you meant to
one of
look at my face.
No,
I hit
Mr.
one of
Pinky
the-
protected me with his aura.
Bro, I hit him with one of those.
Mr. Pinky's aura protected me.
Uncle Skippy. I set up 2 traps.
I love Uncle Skibbity.
Uncle
It's Lincoln's
Skibbity.
turn now.
Yeah.
I swear to God, if I get picked for double trouble yet again, I'm gonna crash out.
There's
I'm
me.
on my revenge arc. It's revenge arc time. I want to be solo monster.
There's trouble.
Where am I, bro?
Just
I
really
swear,
Choose me,
I
Lincoln.
swear, if I get picked for double trouble, I'm gonna crash
Whenever
out.
I play in a private server,
Choose me,
it's
Lincoln.
always double fucking trouble. I'm not choosing anyone.
Hey, language,
What?
Lincoln, you can't swear.
That's cheating.
Sure.
You bum.
So how long do we have to wait? Oh, damn.
Oh, thank
Oh.
goodness.
Jet, let me do the talking. You can just dance in the background.
I say, ooh.
Guys, it's so dark. Oh wait, I have my brightness all the way down. Let me turn my brightness.
Just dance in the background for me, Jet. Just dance in the background.
Wait, I gotta go hunt for some monsters. I'm about to be made to dance. It's Queso
yeah.
and Inkfell. What the
What
frick?
is this
Oh my God, do it!
Stop.
No, I'm gonna make him slow as hell, bro. Look at how slow he's gonna
Oh,
be.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm so
Are you
far.
Is that you running?
Yeah, I'm running. Yeah.
No, that's not allowed.
Nah. Dance
No,
with me,
now,
bro.
now he's gotta run away for a little bit. Let him run for a little bit. Jet, let him run for a little bit. He's gonna run.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wait, no, I need a regen stamina.
Oh yeah.
He just busted on me.
What?
Get him!
I can't get the
Chase.
bus off of my screen.
Chase, 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 chase.
So slow, what's the point?
Nah, I have 130 stamina to burn.
I got busted on again, what the frick?
Ah!
Damn.
Get him! Alright,
I'm on 5 HP.
Work out
teleport
Vantage
him
for my
at the same
domain.
time.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
we win!
Oh,
Yeah, we win! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah!
Those are like the 2 most stunniest characters.
You can't even
Yes.
see you on the wind thing.
I've got the best skin in the game, Inkfell Beast.
Nah, John's the best.
Get out!
Let's be real.
At least mine is not an ancient, which makes it pretty good.
Yours isn't the Asian, so it's pretty good. That's good.
Good one.
I said ancient, dickhead.
Asian, okay.
Oh,
Choose me for double trouble.
bend over.
Please no. I'm gonna make him do math.
Why is Blood using Baldy Verstappen?
I need to get a new monster. I'm probably gonna get Aeoni.
Although you're getting MX.
I ain't sparing any of y'all.
I don't know.
Chat with
Well, I'm only getting MX if I get Mr. Virtual.
Mr. Beast?
That's so rude.
Oh my, Mr. B. Mr. Beast! Isn't this Fogborn's map? Or
Are you
'cause this is
stupid?
the
Fogborn is a Minecraft thing.
oh, well we got no Minecraft maps. Damn.
Oh.
What is that chase theme? Oh shit. No, we can speak about this like gentlemen. We can speak about this like gentlemen, Noah. Noah, please, Noah. We can speak about this.
compare me.
Oh
We
my.
can speak about this like gentlemen. No,
Actually,
please,
we
please,
did.
please,
We
no,
played with
please.
you before we eat. We played with our dinner before we eat.
Yeah, please. We can speak about this like gentlemen.
Alright, you're safe, Lincoln. I'm after
I
Jet.
think Linton will.
Oh.
No,
Just kidding.
if you go after me,
I'm
I
dead.
played with my food.
gulp.
Oh, I see you.
Oh shit.
I'm like right next to you, by the way.
Oh shit.
Jet, he's already in your head.
Oh shit.
That sounds like glass shattering.
Oh wait. Stop. I don't like it. Stop it. I don't like it.
Bro thought he was cheap pickle. Nah.
Wait, I love Cheap Pickle. He's a W YouTuber. I watch all of his videos.
I'm gonna tickle
He
you.
said, cheap pickle told me to bend over and touch my toes.
Oh, good one.
That's so real. That's the top 10 most realest moments of history. Who's it gonna be? Surely you choose Double Trouble and then me and Lincoln choose each other. Cause I wanna be funny
Bro.
guy.
I do not want to be double trouble again, please.
Make it Double Trouble, please.
I want to be solo so I can get my cutscene at the start.
I'm not gonna watch your cutscene. I'm gonna leave the game so you don't get the glorious cutscene.
If you do, then chat's gonna hate you.
Double Trouble!
No, Solo wants to please.
Double Trouble!
Damn.
Who's gonna be my partner for real? Oh, I guess Lincoln's choosing who their partner is. Please choose me, Lincoln.
Oh,
Choose me, please, Lincoln. Please, Lincoln.
fine.
Yes, please, Lincoln.
He said yay.
Hey!
Oh no. I have to play Baldi's Basics Education and Learning. That's me.
Right, do you think he's gonna live?
Dude, the sad
Chat.
thing is, I'm literally the same speed as. Oh my god, I got flung off.
I swear to God, if I get busted on the first hit, I'm
Flank him, flank him.
That's a real pay to lose skin. I can see from at least a mile away. Good one. What the? I'm
mean-
gonna get you for
I mean,
Blackwood.
all the Black Friday skins were pay to lose, but I don't care, it looked pretty.
Did you say it looks gritty? That's so real.
I said
Yeah.
pretty, fuck off.
Where is he?
He's up here.
Oh, hi, Baldi. Oh, let me do this math real quick. Wait, I did 160 instead of 126.
This is why I don't pick Baldi's. Baldi's are cringe.
I meant to do 26. I meant to do 26, not 126. I meant to do 26, not
Alright,
100.
that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Comment what you want us to play next. And we'll see you on the next one. Doodles! You got anything to say, Noah? Got anything to say, Cassius?
Ni hao.
You're
Always
black.
tickle your pickle before it hatches.